Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Tawar, Technical Support Engineer for India region. In this session, we are going to see the pre-process in Moldex 3D 2020. So let's begin. In this, there is a content what we will be seeing is a Moldex 3D Studio interface, the step-by-step workflow, basic studio operation procedures, and later on we'll move for the detailed pre-process operation procedures, and at last will be the pre-process ribbon menu, and later on will be the live demo which I'll share with you guys. So Moldex 3D Studio 2020. Let's let's go back few years ago and see how the Moldex 3D was previously. If the user wants to do the pre-process, he has to go with the Moldex 3D designer, in which he can create the mesh and do the meshing for e-design and solid mesh, which is recently we call it as a BLM. And after that, once the meshing is done, he needs to move to the another platform, which was Moldex 3D project. But in recent years, Moldex has combined these both the platforms into one, which we call as Moldex 3D Studio. So I'll give you a small introduction about how the things works in the interface. Here, as you can see, the Moldex 3D Studio. When you open it, you will see there are two options there on the left corner, which is a start new project. If you're going to start a fresh project to work on, you can simply go with the new project. You have to create a new project and then start working. If not, if you want to work on the existing project which you have done before and you want to open it, you can go with the another tool which is called open, and open the project. When you open the project and you have the results, this is how it looks like, the interface. On the left top corner, you can see the file toolbar in which you can save the files. If you want to also open the existing one, you can also open the existing files there. And below that, you can see the ribbon menu, in which user has a lot of tools which they have to utilize while generating mesh, or whether they have to assign the material process conditions. And below that, you can see there is a tree structure on the left side, and in the center you can see the graphics